Hello you guys and welcome to my channel. I'm going to start off by apologizing. I had recorded a lovely intro for you showing off the entire Simple Stories Vintage Christmas Lodge part of the double shot kit, and all that footage got erased somehow. Pretty sure I just was too busy. But so I do not have beautiful papers to show you, so I'm going to have a card right up here linked for Tina Gale when the video where she shows you both the double shot parts of the kit. Both parts of the double shot kit is what I meant to say earlier this month. So make sure you check that out if you want to see it all in its entirety. But the double shot kit is 49th and Market Art Options, and then Simple Stories, Simple Vintage Christmas Lodge. So Simple Stories is what we're playing with today. You get 3 pieces of patterned paper. You get a Jolly St. Nick, 'Tis the Season, and Peace on Earth. You get a green cardstock in moss and 2 white sheets. And then Simple Pages pieces, which is awesome. You get this whole little set of the Simple page pieces that Simple Stories does. They have like templates you can use too, but they have these awesome simple page pieces that you can create 2 layouts with real quick. So you get that in this kit. So that's going to be for everybody. So what you see here is what you're going to get. I've already cut my papers up quite a bit before I got to show you what was going on. So I went ahead and took this paper that had a cardinal in it on the back. It's this beautiful green plaid, and I've got it, and I put a piece of white cardstock on that, so I have a nice black border. I'm playing with this sketch by Carrie Simmons. It was for 30 Days of Sketches 10, just this October. There were all 30 sketches, actually 31, were created exclusively for the 30 Days of Sketches by Christy from Christy's Beautiful Life. If you haven't seen it, there will be a playlist linked down below because I am doing the sketch and adding it to this playlist. So this was day 17 of that sketch. It'll be up here in the corner as well. Lots of yummy, yummy layers going on in this sketch. So what I've done, I've taken this beautiful wood grain paper that had a Santa on it, a creepy Santa that I don't like, but it had this fun like layered look of paper. So I fussy cut that part out and I've put my photo on it, and then this is going to be that tag instead of a real tag. This is what I'm going to do for a tag. And so I have this lovely black doily around here as well. I might grab another doily, which I think I have to spray black, but I might grab another doily and use that on the layout too. But I've done that, so that, and mine's going to be different proportions than what the sketch is. It just depends on what works for you with what you're doing. A sketch is a wonderful jumping off point. Does not mean you are required to do everything the way it is. So I am going to put this giant lovely piece of green plaid right here, and I'm going to tuck this red, which the back side, what is the back side of this? Oh, it's a print. So this is the back side of this red pattern. I haven't used a ton of that yet. I'm going to tuck that back like this. We're gonna bring it up maybe a little farther. I don't want to bring it up too far, but I want it far enough that you can see it. Okay, so let's glue that down. But this is just another yummy layers layout. I've done a few of these this month. We like the yummy layers. I think I will gut some of this green, so I'm saving some of it because I have this whole chunk as well that I won't be using. And then I think I'm going to take this creative, instead of doing like a scallop border on the bottom, I think I'm going to take this Creative Memories punch I have. It was an exclusive or something, I don't remember. I think I'm going to do this. So we'll layer that up on the bottom as well. But yeah, let's gut this. And gutting is a fun way to save some paper and make your paper stretch even farther than what you originally intended. And there's going to be a big chunk of this green hiding, so this is going to work well. Okay, And we're going to go up to the 1-inch part. Okay. Okay. And then from here, I'm just going to take this down to there as well. And then we just cut it out. And then you save a chunk of your paper that's just going to be covered up by everything else. So there, a chunk has been saved. I can do a fun chunky layers layout with that some other day. So now we're going to tuck this under here. Not super far, but far enough that it just is like a scallop. There we go. Okay. Let's get out these pieces. I thought about putting "'Tis the Season" up here, but now that that's wood grain too, I don't know if I want that. I should do something in black. Oh my gosh, none of this is glued. It's driving me nuts. Okay. Let's glue this down. Or do I want... a little bit of stenciling with, what do I want? What color would I like to bring out? Maybe a little bit of red or a brighter green. Apple. Use my lovely Pink and Maine blending brushes. We'll just, cause look how good those blend so well. They're so easy. Yeah, just gives a little bit of added something on the background. So what I was thinking, I don't really want, so now I'm going to look at the sketch and figure out what is there that I want. Maybe this there. I don't really need anything over here necessarily. Definitely don't need Santa. I want this "'Tis the Season," but I don't like that it's wood grain. I didn't think about that when I started picking out. So I think I'm gonna go look in the embellishment add-ons because I'm pretty sure there's a Vicky Boutin titles. And And I would love to put decked out, but I feel like that's not big enough. But I do think we're going to put this flower there. But decked out is more, I don't know. It makes sense because he's all dressed up. We'll put that there. There. And then the sketch has something up in the corner. I think I'm just gonna nix that. We're not gonna do it. Yes, we do. Okay, I'm gonna pop, I'm gonna pop these little, all right, glue this down. I think that looks lovely. Lots of, I'm all about the layers this month. All the layers of all the papers, just all of it. There you have it. Thank you so much for watching. I apologize for not having a nice little intro to all the papers. Like I said though, check out Tina Gale's video. It'll be, it was linked in the beginning. I'll try to link it down below if I remember as well. But I appreciate you all for watching, and we'll see you next time.